How to fix Snapchat device ban on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Marina and let's get started. So in your Google, you have to search for Snapchat support. Now once you are here, go ahead and tap on submit a request. From this list, go ahead and select the option of I think my account was compromised. Now in this form at the below, you have to mention all of your issue, your username, your email. So go ahead and enter your Snapchat username first and foremost. Here for an example, I'll be doing it with you. Now enter your email and then also mention your phone number. In the description, mention the issue you are facing. You can write the same thing that I'm writing here or you can be creative with it. You just have to mention that your device was banned on Snapchat. However, you have not violated any of the community guidelines by Snapchat. So, once you do that, all you have to do is go ahead and submit this form and wait for the Snapchat team to return you with a solution. Hopefully this video was informative and thank you so much for watching.